Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the maintenance tip that you should follow once in a while to keep a healthy and good engine, along with other car tips. So the first thing is the wiper. The rubber used in this material is specially made for the wiping of glass. So it's like when you leave the car outside in a sunny day or on the road, make sure that you take off the wipers off the glass. In that way, the heat from the sun, uh, in that way the glass doesn't boil the rubber, so it will last for a long time. Make sure that you leave the wipers in this way so it doesn't touch the glass. Then moving over to the engine hood. So this is the engine bay of my car. Moving in, on the left side of the hood you can see a blue cap over there. So that is the area in which you have to fill water, which comes out of the nozzle over the hood of the car. Second is that if you see over here, you can see the oil dipstick, engine oil dipstick. So once in a while you make sure that you take off this oil dipstick and check for the correct reading. Let me show you. So there will be two holes, one at the bottom and the other at the top. The oil level should be in between these two marks. It should not cross the above mark, and also it should not be less than the lower mark. In my case it is in the middle, so it's good. Let's put back it in. And coming over to the right side is the coolant box over here. Once in a while you also check whether the coolant is up to the mark. As you can see, there is two markings on that, one is low and another is full. Make sure that you maintain the coolant in the box between these two marks. And this over here is the brake fluid. Please check whether the level is up to this. This plastic lining is the max mark for this fluid.